In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove grid in your iPhone camera. Removing the grid in your iPhone camera can be useful when you want to take photos without the distraction of the grid lines, especially if you're aiming for a minimalist or cleaner composition. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. You will then scroll down onto the option of camera. On this page, on the option of grid, make sure to disable this option. When turned off, your camera won't have a grid while taking photos. Some users find the grid unnecessary and prefer a clear viewfinder for their shots. That's how easy it is to remove grid from your camera. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.